Hey there, my name's Michael Beall. I want to share with you a couple of things on ribbon essentials, things that are about the ribbon. Now, when the ribbon was introduced in AutoCAD 2009, it probably caught you a little unawares, as it did myself. And I thought, oh gosh, what can I do with this ribbon? So let's take a look at where it is right now in AutoCAD 2011. All right. The first thing I want to mention is that new to AutoCAD 2011 and AutoCAD LT 2011. Up at the top, at the tail end of the collection of the tabs that you see across the top, the Home and Insert and all the way over to Express Tools, and then possibly if you have the AutoCAD WS Online tab, you have two buttons. Well, you have one button and a drop-down. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click this drop-down because maybe I don't want to have the ribbon up all the time. Maybe I use commands, I type them in, or maybe I'm just doing some things, viewing of the geometry in my drawing, and I don't have to have the ribbon up. So I'm going to click this little drop-down list that's right beside the button there, and I'm going to minimize this to tabs. All right, drops her down to tabs only. Now, the nice part about this addition that they've made to AutoCAD 2011 is that the button right beside it, to the left of the drop-down, will show the full ribbon. Now, the full ribbon comes out. The really cool thing is when you click the button again, it goes back to your setting that you made with the drop-down list. So that's a nice feature that they've put in there. Let's take a look at what we can do to customize a little bit with this ribbon as she stands. Sometimes you go across here and you're going, well, golly gosh, I don't need, I'll go over here and look at output. Man, I don't know if I need the entire collection of content on the output tab just to plot the drawing. I've got a perfectly good print button up here at the top, plot button. Maybe I just don't even need that particular tab. So I'm going to right-click anywhere in the ribbon, go to Tabs, and I'm going to turn off Output. All right? That takes her down to 1. Let's also investigate just a little bit about the terminology that's used. Heidi Hewitt made a very succinct statement when AutoCAD 2009 introduced the ribbon. She said what it is we have multiple tabs across the top. You have Home and Insert and so on. And then the question on the floor would be, well, what are the larger parts called? Are those chunks or those sections? Well, actually, she goes on to say each tab contains multiple panels. All right, so these sections are called panels. And then on each panel, you have multiple tools. So you have tabs and panels and tools. Then to turn off a particular panel within a tab, you'd go to the tab on which you want to change something. You would right-click anywhere in the ribbon, go to the panels, and let's say, for example, you may not be doing linking and extraction, and you can simply turn that off. All right? What you would want to do then is probably save that as a workspace, and then that way you could return to that condition of your ribbon. All right? Hope that helped you out taking a look at the ribbon a little bit.